Coming to you from the beautiful Lake Conjola this morning. As you can see behind me, fantastic lake. We've got the beach just to the left of me. Population probably around 500, 600 people maybe, but it swells to 2,000, 3,000 people in the summertime or the tourist seasons anyway. And might remember 12 months ago, this place was ravaged by a bushfire. It's one way in, one way out, so it would have been terrifying for those locals and tourists trying to get their way out to avoid the bushfires. You might remember also that four-wheel drives were literally driving into this lake to avoid them as well. You can probably see behind me some trees that are still recovering. On the way in, you can obviously see the regrowth, which is quite interesting to see. It's well and truly on its way to recovery. The locals, their mindset is, yeah, we've moved on now. It was obviously an awful time for them, but communities bind together at times like that, don't they? So from a property perspective, median price probably around 600k. It's pretty tightly held. It's a small region and there's not a lot of new area or new land to build on, I suppose. So prices will continue to perform for them in the short to long term as well. 10 minutes, probably 15 minutes to Ulladulla to the south, that when we're talking $1 million per property in a lot of those major or solid locations within Ulladulla. And also Mollymook prices up $900 million for a lot of houses there as well. So yeah, quite $1 million sounds like the new norm, doesn't it? So just dialing in $1 million wherever you go is quite frightening. Plenty to do here, obviously fishing, boating, swimming. The current goes in and out throughout the day, which is cool for the kids. Plenty of kangaroos coming up to your door. Beautiful coffee, so we've been trying to support the locals during our time here. But today we are off south to Narooma, aren't we, Maxie? So that's our destination. We'll probably stay there for about 4 or 5 days, I think, at this stage. So yeah, hope this finds you well. We'll chat soon.